If you want to learn how to make calligraphy in Krita like this, then you have come to the right place. Or maybe you are a Neuvillette sim. Either way, this is a quick tutorial on how to achieve this blending style that almost gives a watercolor effect. To start, you're going to open a canvas of any size and create a quick clipping group like this. It will create a group with two layers. The first layer is where your base calligraphy will be on, and the second layer is where we will add more colors and blend. For this tutorial, I am going to mimic the artwork I showed at the start of the video. Here, I have written a random word in my main color on the first layer. I will link the brush that I used down below in the description, but you can use any brush you would like. Then, I am going to switch to layer 2 and pick out a few colors I would like to use for blending. Before you do anything, check that the inherent alpha is on. Essentially, it's a mask layer that allows us to add colors and blend seamlessly. I will explain its importance in a moment. Now, add your colors to wherever you please. This is how I'm adding them to mine. Once you're done, select the blender brush and gently blend the colors together. Make sure you're blending them in one direction or else the colors won't look uniform. You can stop once you're satisfied. I like the way mine looks right now, so I will pause it here. If you were wondering why the second layer having the alpha inheritance is important, it's because of this. The mask layer is very useful because you don't have to worry about the calligraphy being ruined while you're blending. If you didn't use this layer, you would have to make sure you're blending while keeping the calligraphy strokes intact, which would be such a mess and a hard thing to do. So this artwork already looks good enough. We have blended our colors together and the artwork looks cohesive. So you can stop here if you would like. But if you want to add a bit of more of that watercolor vibe, I like to add a layer style called outer glow. You can add this on top of the clip group or onto the base layer. Just go to the layer style and select outer glow in the properties. Pick the color of the glow and how strong you want the effect to be. You can play around with different options to see what you like best. So here I am showing you the outer glow effect on a black background so it's more clear. Notice how the letters look like they're glowing, which gives us that watercolor under the water vibes that we were going for. And that's pretty much it. It's so simple, isn't it? I hope you like this tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to leave your suggestions or feedback in the comment section down below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.